Let me ask this question. Would you pay a 200 or 500 tip in terms of service if that service was bad? If you go to a restaurant right now, the waiter does an average job, it's not well mannered, doesn't, ask, are you fine? Are you still well taken care of? Was the food fine? Just the basic TLC things. Would you pay something like 200, 300, 400 rands in tip? The answer most definitely is no. This simply means the same thing applies to us. In order for us to get the recognition, the appreciation which we want, we have to be that good. Because in whatever it is that we're doing, we need to strive to be better. We need to strive to be better. Our problem is we're too focused on the money, honestly. And we tend to lose sight of self-development and character development. Because most people, they are driven by money more than the goal or the dream, the ambition to be better versions of themselves. They will tell you, only money that I want. Only money that I want. And now that's the problem. It's only money that you want and not development. So without results, no one is willing to pay an extra mile. Without you standing out, without you having to be a better version of yourself. Because this is just a competition between you and you. Don't compete with other people. The minute you start competing with other people, that's where you lose it. So my advice today is very simple. Focus on yourself, stay in your own lane, but make sure that you're not complacent, because no one is willing to pay for mediocrity. You yourself, you wouldn't pay yourself the man that you say you want if you were your own manager, performing the way that you are performing, if you are being honest with yourself. So it takes a lot to reach a stage where you get paid $1 million a minute, like your Messi's and Ronaldo's and them. But it had to be accumulated through years of effort. So put in the work now. Work on your craft. Whatever your craft is, make sure you work on it. Don't be dismayed and distracted by all the other things which are happening. Focus on yourself. Focus on yourself. Focus on yourself. Then you'll get it right.